desert's greatest gift to history might be its role as cosmic archivist. While humidity decays organic materials elsewhere, arid environments preserve them with astonishing fidelity. In Xinjiang's Taklamakan Desert, 4,000-year-old mummies were brightly colored woolens still vibrant as yesterday. At Egypt's Fayum oasis, Roman-era portraits painted on coffin lids reveal individuals with startlingly lifelike eyes. But the most extraordinary preservation occurs with knowledge. Texts that survived only because buried in sand. Consider the Silk Road's lost libraries. At Dunhuang's Mogao Caves, a sealed chamber discovered in 1900 contained 50,000 manuscripts from the 4th to 11th centuries.